Are you for real right now?
What?
I want it, yeah. I mean,
everything works. It's not perfect. It's got a little bit of rust.
what do you mean it's not perfect? This is like, I'd be more than grateful.
You like it?
I do.
He got baptized by a street car. Here, you see this shit box?
So, oh my god.
What?
Oh my god.
It's actually pretty decent.
It's nice.
It's not bad for a little 80s, couple grand shit box.
Gonna be your project for winter, you think?
Well, I mean, we can do whatever we want with it. If we want to flip it, we can. If we want to race it for a little bit, we can. But
Where's it coming from?
it's Joe Bowman. He's got it over there in the lot.
You thinking about getting this?
Yeah.
For real?
It's only a couple grand.
Who's gonna race it?
I mean, you can. If you want. Yeah, it's a 5-speed right now, but put an auto
Why
in
are
it.
you vlogging this? Was this supposed to be a surprise, or?
Well, I mean, kinda. I mean, I really don't know what to think right now either, so.
You're shitting.
What?
You're kidding.
No. We're taking it on a test drive, and when we take it back, I'm either gonna buy it or he's gonna buy it. He said if you don't want it, he's gonna buy it.
Who doesn't want it?
If I don't want it,
Fuck,
or if
I
you
like
don't.
it. It's,
Alright.
I'm like, I didn't know what you were up to.
There's plenty of room for activities.
Everything works on it. Even the cruise control, the air conditioning, the heat, the headlights.
You can daily the thing.
Are you for real? Are you for real right now?
What?
I want it, yeah. I mean,
Everything works. It's not perfect. It's got a little bit of rust.
what do you mean it's not perfect? This is like, I'd be more than grateful.
You like it?
I do. It's a manual?
Huh?
Manual?
Yeah, right now it is. It's a
I've always
Firebird.
wanted to relearn how to drive a manual. The only manual I've driven is a farm truck. You want to take it for a drive?
Yeah.
That's what you guys are up to.
Yeah.
It matches everything. White trailer, you got a white dual leg.
Well, it is now ours. What do you think?
I'm excited.
Good enough.
Seatbelt.
Push the clutch in. Slowly let it out.
You're videoing this, right? You sure that thing's on?
That's all.
Oh, I'm speeding. Oops.
Getting your speeding ticket already. One day this thing will be going 170. But for now it's going to be topped out at probably 70. Really a nice car.
It's so easy to drive, too. Nice.
Let's see if that thing opens. Heavy?
A little bit.
Plenty of space for weight. What's that? See if there's anything in there.
Oh my gosh.
Really? Huh. That's
funny.
interesting.
It's a good keepsake. Good luck.
Can't take it out of there.
Good luck. It's gonna stay in there forever now. Possibly the happiest girl alive right now. So would this be considered my promise ring?
Your mullet's growing as we speak. Put her on the scales. Alright, stop. Let's see what she weighs. Let's get out of it. It's not that bad. Full tank of fuel.
How much does your truck weigh?
My truck's 31 even. So that one's 80 more pounds than the truck. It's not bad.
Are you serious?
And there's nothing taken out of it. And it's still got all steel wheels. If you put aluminum wheels on it, it'd probably be 31 even.